guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock chats locked with a secret code on WhatsApp, step by step and very easily. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure the app opens properly and you're on the main screen. Once WhatsApp is open, we'll move to the Chats section. After opening WhatsApp, go to the Chats section. This is where all your conversations are shown. From here, we'll look for the Locked Chats option. Now scroll down on the Chats list. As you scroll, you'll see a separate option for Locked Chats. This section contains all chats protected with security. Once you see Locked Chats, tap on it. This will open the Secure Chats area. Here, WhatsApp will ask for verification. If Face ID or fingerprint is not enabled, WhatsApp will ask for your secret code. Enter the secret code that you previously set. After entering the correct code, the locked chats will open. Now your locked chats are fully unlocked and visible. You can open any chat and use it normally. If you want, you can also remove the secret code from chat settings to unlock it permanently. So that's how you can easily unlock WhatsApp chats that are locked with a secret code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Also, comment below if you want more simple WhatsApp tips. See you in the next video.